Hey, welcome to another tip on how to use green screen with iMovie on the iPad. Green screen has been available on the iMovie on the Mac OS, but is recently become available on the iPad. And the possibilities are endless. So today I'm going to be showing you kind of a history project that I use, history tours, using iMovie and green screen. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on iMovie, or click on it, not turn on. I'm going to create a new project, so I'm going to create a movie. Now I am going to select an object. So first I got to think about green screen as kind of like putting a transparent layer. I need to put a background down first, and then above that I'll put the transparent layer, and that is the green screen layer. So first I'm going to start with an image. So I'm going to go ahead and select my background image. This was an image that I got off of pexels.com, Pexels.com. Great site for free photos, free to use for your students. Great pictures, free to use. So I'm going to put this picture in. And so it is doing the Ken Burns effect, which I do not want. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to disable Ken Burns because it's going to look weird if I have a background that is moving when my green screen is just staying there. So now I got the video in there. So now what I want to do is go ahead and add the next layer, the next video. So I'm going to click on the video, and I'm going to have this selfie video here. Now I want to tap on the clip. Now you'll see you have a plus sign, which will add it to my video here, but a play button so I can play it, but then also those three dots, the more buttons. If I go there, I can do a cutaway, a picture-in-picture, which is really cool if you want to do newscast, split screen, or in our case, the green screen, blue screen. And I click that, and what it'll do is it'll automatically put the video clip on top of our background image, and it will automatically take out the green screen. I don't have to, like on iMovie or in Final Cut Pro, where I have to go in and select the green screen effect. This one, it automatically does it. The only thing here is I got this, now how the image is there, so I want to cut back this image to right there. And so now I have me freezing in the town of Conway. Now notice it doesn't, I gotta get it kind of a perfectionist here. So notice my video is not lining up with there we go. So now my audio comes through, and so I get this really cool image. Now my video is actually shorter, so I have a little more video on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and expand this so that it creates the entire video length, because it usually, when it imports, it will come into where your video started. And I'm having a lot of trouble here for some reason. Maybe I've maxed it out. I guess I maxed it out there. But let me show you what happens if you do not disable Ken Burns effect. So the Ken Burns effect is great, it's wonderful, but if I do it, notice how my background is moving and I'm stationary. So automatically, when you add photos into iMovie, it's going to do the Ken Burns. So you want to turn that off. So again, watch the video. Now, how I will have this with students is that they'll be, over the top of the video, they'll be explaining the site they're at, the Colosseum, the Great Wall of China, the Great Pyramids of Giza, but they'll be there. In the previous video that you saw that student was able to take a diorama and take close-up pictures and insert themselves into that diorama. So you're able to transport students to anywhere in the world, and they're able to describe what they're seeing and be a part of it. It takes multimedia presentation to that next level. It's no longer just a boring, stagnant presentation. It's something fun and exciting for the students. They love seeing themselves in that picture. Even though they can't go to China, your video can transport them to China. And you say what you want, but the students absolutely love this. And so definitely try it in different subject areas, language arts, math, science. It is definitely a cross-curricular activity. So I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoy green screen.